I think Confirmation of Payee is a really important initiative. So it's not a silver bullet though. So what it does is it helps help with things like misdirected payment and with stopping people sending payments to somebody that they say is giving a different name, which deals with some scams. But I think in the UK particularly, we have a concern over people being, so with the PSD2 has brought in secure customer authentication, it becomes difficult to actually, for scammers and fraudsters to operate through that boundary. So unauthorized scams and fraud go down, but what we're concerned about is seeing authorized scams go up. So this is where a consumer authorizes a payment because they are conned into a relationship, a romance, or an impersonation. They think they're paying government, they think they're transferring funds for safety reasons, but actually they're being scammed out of money. And actually in the UK, we've been looking at a code for the industry around how they can make sure they reimburse consumers. This is a big deal in comparing cards with PISP. So who's going to pay out in the event that I've been scammed out of some money? Who's going to pay out if a merchant becomes insolvent or fails? So and that real kind of juxtaposition, that real kind of challenge, if you like, between cards and PISP, which offers better protection and which might be more attractive to consumers, is really at the heart of the kind of competitive discussion at the moment. Should we leave it to competition? Do we need to protect consumers? What's the balance? How do we make PISP in the UK work and build that trust that everybody thinks is so important?
The key thing that I think is interesting and exciting about the whole kind of open banking PIS model is that when you've got two regulated actors in the chain who have both got responsibilities and obligations to the customer, you've got a PISP and a ASPSP, a bank, then I think you've got much more opportunities to provide additional services that can reduce the risk and help protect the customer better.
We absolutely believe that the trust and security are a must and not a nice to have, actually, particularly in the financial sector. And all members of the ecosystem need to be able to build and maintain that trust. And to Chris's point, you do have two regulated actors working together to do that. But I think one of the things that we certainly try to do is, with bank transfer as well, is deliver on the promise. So, we promise our customers that we're going to deliver speedy, secure and simple payment experiences, and actually standing up to that and delivering on that promise is how all members of the ecosystem can start to foster some of that trust so that we drive the consumer engagement that the whole ecosystem needs to thrive.